Hello to my favorite college algebra students. This is Gabby Booth. Of course, you are my only college algebra class. I just wanted to give you a quick recording on how to navigate through the course now that we are doing remote instructions. On the left-hand side, you see that I am now teaching off campus. I will not be in my office, and that's why it comes in handy that I have a Google phone number. It's so great. Um, that way you can always get in touch with me. Please use the Google phone number. It's right there, 407-984-6580. You can text me, you can call me, please leave a message, leave a call number, and when you text me, please tell me who you are. Yeah, sometimes I get texts and I don't know who that is. Anyway, so text me, I will text you back, I call you back, I can email you back, whatever it takes. Therefore, my virtual office hours and my virtual office comes in handy as well. So all office hours, of course, are done remotely through virtual office hour. And you can just click on this link, virtual office hour, right here. So I will be online at least those times here, maybe even more, but we'll see how it goes through the semester, through the weeks, and then we go from there. We can always make adjustments. That is not a problem. So right now I'm signed in as a student because I want to show you a couple things. When you log in, you will see an announcement for each week. I will tell you each week what it is that I cover and what it is that you need to do. So hopefully there will be no issues, questions on what is going on. But of course, if you have a question, don't hesitate to email me. I will make a short recording right now, and this will go in the spot here. So once I'm done talking, I will post it here. So I kind of treat it still like a 2-day class, even so you have a whole week now to complete your assignments, but I will offer a virtual lecture on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 5:35 to 6:45. Now, this is not mandatory. Again, this is not mandatory. If you cannot make it during that time, I will record it and you can watch it at a later date. You can click on the virtual office hour link right here. It's the same link as I have down here. So again, you do not have to attend it. You do not even have to watch it if you don't want to view it. There are other resources out there that I've posted. Anyway, so like I said, there are other resources that I posted, and I posted that in the content link. I have short little YouTube videos that I made over the years, and I posted them as well. You can look in your textbook. These are the pages that we cover. And here's kind of a list of things to do. And again, they're still like in a 2-day schedule, but you can do this through the entire week. We have to finish 2.4 composition of functions, and then we need to talk about inverse functions, and I do that on Tuesday. And then on Thursday we go to 2.6, and that will be variation of functions. Now, since we're not in class anymore, these in-class little assignments have now turned to quizzes. And your first quiz is already posted right here. It is not open just yet, but when it will open, you can just click on this link. As you can see, I'm a student now, but it's not open at this time. Anyway, you click on the link and then you take the quiz. You have 3 attempts. And these quizzes are short. The first quiz I made is a little longer, but it's mostly true or false, and it's due March 31st. I will also, on Thursday, will put a link here for test 3. So test 3 link will be posted right here as well. I've changed the homework assignments. I made them a little smaller for you to turn in, and you can find them if you click on homework for section 2.4. These are the problems that I want you to turn in on the day when the test is due. So you can go, it didn't bring me back to announcements. You can go to 2.5 and you see there's a list of homework assignments. Again, I made them smaller. Smaller, yeah, I didn't make them smaller. It's less problems. Okay, it's still me, as you can see. Homework will be collected on the day the test is closing. So when you can find them, right, what you do is you take a picture of them or you scan them and you upload them to the assignment tab. And hopefully this will work. You click on this link and yes, look at this. You click on add a file and then submit. That's how you upload your assignments and your test, your homework and your tests as well. Okay, let me go back. So this is kind of what is going on for the first week. If you have any questions on your homework, on assignments, on anything like test corrections, of course, virtual office hour, or you can also click on section 2.5, 2.6. This is strictly for homework question discussion. It's under the discussion tab. Let me click on discussion. If I go to discussions, you see I already have, they are in no particular order. Oops. 3.1 is missing. Anyway, I will, oh, they are not missing. They're just open at a different time. Let me, hold on, let me change not being a student. And let me show you, if I go to discussions, they are right here. They just open, this one opens March 23rd. The dates are a little off. I have to look at all the dates. Anyway, this one is here already. So any homework questions, click on your discussion tab or click on the link in the announcement and it brings you right in here and you can post any questions as well as some general questions. Go right here. Now you have one more discussion, oops, that you see right here. It will be due March 27. I need to put that in the announcement. This is your last discussion. We're gonna stop at 3, so make sure you get them done. Assignments, if you go to assignments, you would this is the discussions. We already did most of them. Homework goes right in here for unit 3, just like follow the links. When we have our test 3, this will also go in the assignment tab. If you click on content, you see what has changed is really not the addendum. Hold on. What has changed, of course, is the calendar, the dates. So I have changed the dates. So this is kind of the schedule, what I'm trying to go by right here. So there you have it. If I go back to content, then you have the lecture notes. So we are now coming up on test 3. So there the lecture note for the rest of 2.4, composition, inverse functions, and direct variation. And for test 4, the next lecture notes, which is on chapter 3, they are already posted as well. Then there are my worksheets. Class notes from when we were in class that are posted right here, and whatever I do in the virtual lecture I will post here as well. Then there are some additional videos, resources. Unit 3 would be 2.4, and mostly what I do here is I will post YouTube videos and the homework assignments. You can find them also under content. So 2.5, what you see here, inverse functions. These are basically some YouTube videos I have created over the years, and you can watch them as well. Okay, a video in a video. How cool is that? There you go. Okay, let's stop right here. So for Unit 4, which is Chapter 3, you can't see them yet, but they are also a bunch of resources. They are not all from me. They're coming also from other instructors. And there are handouts and PowerPoints and so forth. Okay, so that's how we navigate through the course. Always click on the link here, and that brings you back to assignments. So what has changed before and after? Tests in class, tests are at home. They be turned into the assignment tab. In-class assignment are now in form of quizzes. Discussions, 3 discussions in Falcon Online, just like we've done before. The final exam will be done in Falcon Online, just like a quiz, it will be multiple choice. The lecture in class is now the lecture through Virtual Office, but that's it. So we can do this, guys. If you have anything, talk to me, let me know. Be in touch and be safe, and let's do